I haven't flown this in the dark in a while. Alright.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Man, I think it's up to hurry.
Has excessive power, more than it needs. Just the way I like it.
Got a distinct shriek.
Yep. I'll try to do it too. It makes this cool howl. When you do a part throttle dive. Let's see if I can. God, that motorcycle's loud.
Yeah, it is.
It is the same guy, yeah. You'll hear it here. You gotta go high though. I'll do it from high. Go high.
You're letting the fan coast, or you're not. Is it just because the fans?
There's a little hole in the top,
Oh, okay.
right there. There it is.
Oh yeah.
There's a hole in the top. So
Sounds like it's gonna play a note.
Right. So I'll show you when it lands, but it makes a really cool sound when.
Like a whale.
Yep, like a blowhole. Yeah.
Whoa. So it actually probably.
Yeah. There it is. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I'll be damned.
I think that's why it's there. It's there for cooling, but it just makes a really cool sound.
Because I read this article about cooling.
Mhm.
People had a misconception that more intake is better.
Nope.
Than the
It's
opposite.
exhaust, because then it pulls.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
Venturi effect, right?
So it's like 3 to 1.
Right. You make a smaller in the front and then bigger in the back. It has to
Yeah.
be double or triple the size.
Yeah.
And then it
Time
sucks air
remaining,
through.
1 minute.
But I think that's there for scale purposes. I don't think it's. But it works. It works. You can hear it. This thing's a blast to fly. I don't know if you see Frank and I will fly together in formation.
Oh yeah.
We do touch and goes and takeoffs. But this is.
You'll have what's his name? You'll have one too.
30
Yeah.
seconds.
Ran.
Rand has
Yeah. Can still hear the motorcycle. Jesus, thing's loud.
You guys are on the freeway now, but it doesn't.
I think there is.
Well, you just can't afford it. You can't catch it. Your gear doors are down?
Yeah, and that's
Little
just
bit.
because I took off
Gear down. 7.
too
6,
fast.
5. Gear up. 4. 3.
They won't. They should be put away now.
Time
Nope, they're still out.
expired.
The wind sucks them out.
Oh, gotcha,
Yeah.
gotcha.
I had the springs adjusted, but it's still not enough. This is my favorite thing to do with it right here.
Oh,
That spin.
Whoa, that's like a lobster box.
Yeah, almost like a pop top.
Yeah.
Sometimes it'll get that weird little spin at the end. It's a fun plane though.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Alright, now we get the F-16 and then that'll be it. F-16 should look really good now. Favorite time of day here. Well, when it's crow's landing, it looks like this too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it gets that. Yeah, I've stayed actually in the dark. Yeah.
Flaps up. 1 minute over.